7:36, 11 degrees. Time to zero in on business now. Our business editor, Mike Eppel, joining us this morning. Mike, some key economic data coming out this morning.
Yeah, indeed, Ted. We were waiting for the Canadian and U.S. labor market statistics for the month of July, and both of them have big-time implications for interest rate policy, even the federal election campaign. The politicians will be making some hay out of the fact that the economy added some jobs last month, but for the 6th month in a row, the unemployment rate was steady, unchanged at 6.8%, and we saw the fallout of the oil sector slump. Alberta lost 4,400 jobs, according to StatsCan. Saskatchewan was down 7,000. And all in all, the results weren't terrible. We, of course, did see those negative readings on the economic growth rate for the first 5 months of the year. And the fear was that the July jobs results would show a real pullback for Canadian job producers. Didn't turn out that way. So we've got a steadying outlook here for Bank of Canada interest rate policy. Out of the United States, meantime, next month, the U.S. Federal Reserve on September 17th will make what will likely be the most widely anticipated interest rate decision in recent memory. And they're possibly going to raise interest rates. The jobs data this morning showed 215,000 jobs added to the U.S. It's a big number, but I mean, for an economy that size, it's right kind of in line with what they expect. And the unemployment rate of 5.3%. So even with no inflation and a very strong U.S. dollar, keep that in mind, the U.S. Fed might be raising rates. Wall Street's coming in with the Dow down 6 days in a row, and immediately this morning the Dow's down another 50 points. The TSX is under pressure as well. Even with strong results in from Magna International, Canada's auto parts leader, benefiting from record-breaking car and truck sales here in North America. Strong results overseas too. So Magna saw better than expected results. That stock is up a little bit in early trade. The Apple Watch, it seems to be disrupting the marketplace. Some numbers in for the month of June showing that U.S. traditional watch sales fell 11% year over year. That's a huge decline, so that may have implications for retail's sector over the course of this year. And in the oil market this morning, got to mention it, Ted, because the price for oil this morning is down. 4-month low, just above $44 a barrel now. That U.S. dollar keeps going up. The price for oil continues to slide. Canadian dollar's down too. Unfortunately, some negative news going into the weekend. But hey, it's the weekend, so there you go.
Yeah.
back to you.
Have a good weekend, my friend.
You too.
Thanks, Mike. That's our business editor, Mike Eppel, reporting. You can hear Mike on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour.
BT's Market Report is brought to you by 660 News.